Hello, hello Disney fam. My name is Pauline and I am the mermaid in Mouse and Mermaid, and today I am coming at you with my August magic mail. I have some pins and then I also have some things that I've won in a couple contests. I'm really excited about them. So let me just dive in and show you all of the magic mail that I have received this month. Look at all this stuff. All right guys, with all of that stuff, let's start out with the Disney pins. First package, I'm not 100% sure who this came from, but let's open it up and we'll be able to figure it out. It's really in here. So I know right off the bat, it is one of the Princess soft serves. They kind of look like Dole Whips. If you didn't see, I opened up a bunch of these and I immediately traded my duplicates / the ones I didn't want. It was probably my most disappointing pin video ever, but let me just say, pin videos are never truly disappointing because I know I can always trade. Hence what's happening right here. So I got the Jasmine Dole Whip soft serve, whatever you want to call it, pin. This is one of the ones I did want. So this is a beautiful pin that features Jasmine's jewel that she wears on her head, a lotus bloom, and then it has the magic lamp in the Dole Whip, and the soft serve swirls are just this beautiful light blue color, and they have white glitter in them. I am so happy to have this pin, and I will say one of the people who commented on my pins, I'm gonna want to say it was Park Pioneer. They said that even though they are very small, they're great for pin boards to fit in those little nooks and crannies, and I do agree with that. Sometimes I run out of room even though there is more room on my board because I have a lot of larger pins, so this will be good to tuck in there. All right, next package here is from Rachel, and I'm not going to show you the front because it has our addresses, but she has a cute little Cinderella pin on it. Rachel, thanks me for the trade. All right guys, I already have this pin, but I wanted a second one because we have our Polynesian inspired board downstairs, and this is one of my favorite pins. I have to have it up here in my office. So here it is, the Dole Whip Kingdom of Cute. He's adorable, you know, I think he's adorable. So as you've seen before, little Dole Whip here, smiling away, so happy to be the absolute best treat in all of Disney history. Yes, that is a not bold statement, it's just true. All right, next package is from Jenny. Now, this is my expectation of Loungefly box lunch pins. I got the Little Mermaid green dress. It is gorgeous. And let me just point out, this green dress does not come in the Little Mermaid movie. I still love it though. So yes, beautiful green dress, those puffy 80s sleeves there. And the green is such a light green color. It might even be a white, and my eyes are deceiving me with that beautiful green glitter in the center. And yes, that green glitter is awesome. I am so happy to add this to my Little Mermaid collection. All right, this next package is from Annie, and I have to show off, look at all of the awesome stickers on there. We have a Little Mermaid like tattoo art sticker, and then there's Aurora and Snow White. So pretty. Oh, how fun! These are those like old school like little stamps, and this one is of Minnie Mouse. This is really cute. Oh, I totally forgot about this big trade. 3 pins, and I think they all have a theme. Yes, they do. Oh my gosh. All right, so the first one is Tiana, the soft serve. Oh my gosh, it's really cute. So it has the beautiful magnolia. I'm pretty sure that's a magnolia. And the littlest tiny frog prince Naveen up at the top there, and the colors of this are great. I just love the light green with the white glitter. Killing it with the glitter Loungefly, killing it. All right, another Tiana pin. It is the Tiana dress from Loungefly. I feel like this is a Loungefly pin haul basically. So this is Tiana's staple princess dress. It has the beautiful flower detail on the waist, and the whole dress looks like a flower. The glitter detail in this, again, just so sparkly. I adore it. My Tiana collection is growing and I'm really excited about it. And it's growing even more with this next pin. This might be my favorite pin so far. It is another Loungefly princess dress, but it is the wedding series, and this is Tiana's dress. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. It is like a 1920s stunning dress. It has gold details in the metal. Looks like a little bit of green detail on there. Beautiful flower up at the shoulder, and then the glitter detail on this with her little ruffles at the bottom. I just want to own this dress. I don't know if I'm gonna beat this in this unboxing, but we'll see. All right, this next pin is from Montserrat. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing that incorrectly. Please correct me in the comments. Let's open this puppy up. Oh my gosh, came with this beautiful bookmark from Beauty and the Beast. Love the front though with the beautiful gold. You've seen my ring light in there. And then we have a Miss Piggy Tsum Tsum, kind of like a plastic sort of a Tsum Tsum. Such fun bonus items, thank you. I could not be more excited about these, simply because I have been watching and mentally preparing for the holiday season. So I got this little Mickey Jingle Bell. It's so flippin' cute. I love it. So yes, the little Mickey Jingle Bell is a nice gold medal. And I normally don't like screen printed pins, but this pin is just so darn cute. I couldn't say no. And then this pin is a little ugly sweater with a Mickey Mouse on it. So again, beautiful gold medal. The gold medal does seem slightly worn, but I just love this pin, who cares? And it features a brilliant teal color and a maroon. I can't wait to get my Disney Christmas board started. I actually have something picked out that I need to order that is going to be my official Christmas display for my Disney pins. I am so excited to put it together. All right, and last pin mail item is from Cassie. And Cassie gave me a little Pooh Bear sticker, but it is from the live action. This Pooh is my favorite Pooh of all the Poohs. He is so adorable. All right, and I believe these are from the BFF series. Please correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. But I have Little Mermaid with Flounder. So Little Mermaid is in a circle with Flounder. They're just looking adorable together. Then I have Thumper and Bambi. So Thumper and Bambi are sliding on the ice in this picture and looking like they're just having the best time ever. All right, and the last pin that I traded for is Flotsam and Jetsam. Actually has a 3-pin post with a chain element, but it's not really a dangle, it's more of like a put it up higher kind of a thing. So this series was actually from Shop Disney from 2019. They had a bunch of these that were kind of like cute Disney characters, and I saw Flotsam and Jetsam. I don't collect really anything outside of Little Mermaid for my Little Mermaid collection, but they were just so cute. I wanted to add them to my blue board. All right, so now that the pin trading is done, I have these 3 pieces of mail that I am gonna open. They're all things that I won. I guess I was just having good luck in August. So the first thing I won is from Allie and Mary, and their channel is called Two Tiny Wings. I am going to link them below so that you can go check them out. I actually won this on a video where they were unboxing a couple pins. But this is actually like a little mini pin. I'm not 100% sure of the collection, but it is really cute. She looks almost like a little doll or something. And yes, the little mini has some serious lashes in this. She's sporting her polka dots on a red dress, and yeah, I think it must be some sort of like doll series. Thank you so much, Allie and Mary. I am so happy that I was able to win, and hopefully we'll get some new fun people to come hop over and check out your channel. Next package is from my friend Mackenzie. I won this off of her Instagram. You totally need to go check out her channel, Mackenzie Taylor. I will put a link to her stuff down below. And she also has an awesome Instagram page, so I will also link that below as well. Be sure to go check them both out. She is a Disney foodie to the next level. She actually does a lot of cooking videos that are of Disney related items, and everything she makes looks absolutely delicious. All of my comments include that she needs to send some in the mail to me. And also, she is an amazing photographer. You have to go to her Instagram. She always photographs what she makes in the videos. My mouth is watering all of the time. Immediately after this video is over, go check out Mackenzie. Mackenzie just wrote the sweetest note. We actually talk quite a bit on Instagram and on Facebook, so thank you so much, Mackenzie. That was so sweet. Look at this box this comes in. I absolutely love it. Even the top, like little opener, is a little Mickey head. So cute. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Look at it. It is a little tiki ornament. So it's like a Mickey ear, but also like a little drink. This is so cute. I absolutely love this. And the best part about it is our living room where we put our Christmas tree is Polynesian themed. So I think we have maybe one or two other like Polynesian decorations, but I'm so glad we have another that we can add. I just can't stop looking at it. It's so detailed. Let me show it up close for you. So yeah, it has the Mickey head. It's kind of like a little tiki face right here. And then these guys are from the tiki room up on the ears. They're the drummers. And we have a little volcano up top, but I'd like to think it could also be a drink from Trader Sam's, because I think they have one in like a little volcano mug. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Mackenzie. I know 100% this is gonna be Phil's favorite thing that I opened today. Thank you. I love it too. All right, and our last box here is from Mickey's Girls. I actually won this at their 1-year anniversary live show. I was the first person to comment on their stream, so I won a prize. I had no idea I didn't even know they were giving away prizes, let alone that I was even eligible to win one. So thank you so much, Mickey's Girls. You have to go check out their channel and their Instagram. I love both, but I have to say their Instagram is a bit dangerous because every time I go on my Instagram, they always come up and they're revealing some Loungefly that I want, but I shouldn't get. So if you are a Loungefly Disney fan, you need to go check out their Instagram and their YouTube page. They are always showing off, talking about everything Loungefly, and I think that might be related to what I'm getting. And of course, I'm gonna go put Mickey's Girls link below to their Instagram and their YouTube, so be sure to go check them out after this video. Here is their cute little business card, and I love their little emojis logo. It is just so flippin' cute. Ah, and the Magical Shop Disney paper. Who doesn't love this paper? So this is a Loungefly bag. Oh my gosh, this is really cute. It has all the different like outfit components for the Fab Five. So it's got like Goofy shirt, Daisy's bow, Minnie's skirt, Nikki's hands. This is really cute, and it has, let's see, 1, 2, and then a top zipper pocket, so lots of pockets plus another pocket on the inside there, and it's a crossbody, so very friendly for the parks. I always love wearing crossbodies in the parks because I feel like everything is really on you where you can see it and you can easily get to it, but it's also not cumbersome in walking around the park. So to me, the crossbodies are the ultimate Disney bag. So this is so awesome. Thank you so much, ladies. Well guys, that is it for my August pin mail, magic mail, whatever you want to call it. I am so grateful to the channels that I won prizes from. Thank you so much, guys. That was some awesome stuff. And as I said before, all of their links are down below in the description. And thank you to everyone who also traded with me. I really appreciate it, and I am so excited about the pins that I got today. Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And also comment below, tell me what was your favorite thing that I unboxed today. And if you are new to this channel, I would totally love it if you'd subscribe. We do in-park videos, Disney pins and merch. We also log our daily lives, so there is tons of fun stuff for you guys to watch. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you're gonna have a great rest of your day. Peace, love, and Kwaherini.